I can't believe I'm catching this many. What a beautiful, beautiful day of fishing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 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 Okay, okay. We're not done yet. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the corner. So I'm on the bank right now, and water conditions are kind of murky. I think the flow from Lake St. Clair and all the storm weather has just turned things up a little bit. But the fish bite still may be on. Still searching for the catfish, still throwing some heavy sinkers, nice rigs, high-low rigs, big hooks. Shrimp is my ticket, like I said, but people use all kinds of other things. Anyways, let's start the fishing. Oh, this one's actually heavy. Very heavy. Heavy fish. I hope it's a cat. Might be a sheephead. It feels like a catfish though. Oh, it might be a sheephead. Yeah, it might be a sheephead. Oh, it's a catfish. Sign up real quick. Yeah, I'll need help. There you go. Thank you. Oh, that's a nice one, hey? That's a nice one there. Thank you.
Oh, you're hooking right at the edge.
Yeah, right at the edge of the mouth. Yeah, right in the corner. Beautiful fish. We're gonna wait on this in a second. Alright. There you go, guys. First cat of the day. Early morning. I missed one like first 2 minutes, and got one within the next few minutes, and she's pretty big right there. If you guys want to wait on this, I got a scale. We'll take that in a second, but it's a beautiful channel catfish. I'm gonna put her back in the water after this also. Right there. What did you think? It was 6'6", eh? Yeah. Yeah. But 4 pounds 7 ounces it is. We'll release this baby. She's gonna go back into the water. Oh, right off the scale here. Don't spine me, please. Nice, nice. All right, 4 pounds 7 ounces. All right, guys. So I want another one in the morning here. The bite is just incredible right now. Very fast bites, eh? It's so fast right now. It is so fast. Wow, this morning is just incredible. Right between the storm, the eye of the storm right now, where I'm in. It's like the calm period. Oh. Wow. I hope it's another cat. But whatever it is, it's big. It's big. Turn this view a little bit so you guys can see this a bit better. Wow. Wow. This is a good fight. Oh, it's a big sheephead. It's a really big sheephead. It's a really big sheephead. I might need your help again, buddy. That's really big. Freshwater drum there. Wow.
Too close.
Too close.
I'm gonna go to the head, right?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Whoa, heavy one.
Thank you. Holy cow, I gotta get a weight on that one.
Just that one.
I would say like,
double of that one.
yeah,
More than double.
7 or 8 pounds. Maybe even more.
I think it's more.
Yeah, it might be.
Feel a lot more.
It might be. It might be. All right, I'm gonna take the hooks off and then we'll get a weight on this. All right, so there's that drum. Beautiful, beautiful day. Overcast and just between the rain here. £8 pounds, 7 ounces. Right there. 8 pounds, 7 ounces. That's a pretty big fish. Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah. It was a lot heavier than that.
Yeah, for sure. Double. Double. All right, I'll take it. Into the water. Good day. Good start. Good start. All right, put this back in the water. Come on, Revival. You're a monster. I need you to live. Come on. You weren't out of the water long at all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Oh, another one on the day here. Listen to drag it just a little bit. Oh, big fish today. Really big fish. Nice fighters. It's like every couple minutes. This is gonna be one of these when I run out of shrimp before anything. Oh, it's a beautiful cat. It's a beautiful catfish. Can I get some help, please? It's a beautiful cat. Another cat on the morning here. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, that one's bigger than the last one.
I think for the same.
Yeah? Maybe even the same fish?
I don't know, it could be.
Come on, cat. All right. Okay. Stop waving. Here you guys. Another kitty on the morning. This one's a little chunkier. Last one we weighed was 4 pounds 7 ounces. Just a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna say roughly about 5 pounds. But beautiful, beautiful fight this morning. All nice, strong fish, big fish. Very happy right now. So we got that cat back in the basket. I'll put her back on the water here. Oh yeah, she's strong. You're hardy. Catfish are really, really strong. There you go. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The bite never ends. I can't keep him off my line right now. What is it? Oh. I think this might be a catfish also. It's just like a dead weight. Oh, yep, it is. Another one. Holy smokes. Another one.
Is that the same one, isn't it?
No, it's not. Definitely not.
Well, it's smaller.
Here, we'll get on this side here. Another one. Thank you. Holy.
Oh, the same size as the last one.
Yeah, it is. It is. Good fight though. There you go, guys. Another fish on the morning. Nice, beautiful cat. Roughly about 4 pounds again. They're all about the same size for some reason. I don't know, but can't get any huge hogs yet. I'm still looking for that 10-pounder. I like double-digit numbers, but still, great fight, great day, lots of fish, biting every like couple minutes. I'm gonna try to get it back in there. All right. Yeah, I'm out. Call your family for me. 10-pounder.
I got some.
Yeah. Oh. It's like every 5 minutes, man. I hope it's a cat. It feels like a sheephead. I think it's a cat. It changes its mind. Oh, it's a cat. Yeah, it's a cat. It's a cat. Holy smokes. All day cats right now. Wow. Wow. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, brother.
Glad someone I know is here, man.
As soon as I seen you, I was like, yay. The bite has been on. Every like few minutes or so, I'm always getting something, hanging on to the shrimp. As soon as it hits the bottom, I just wait, and pretty much if I throw it in the water right now, like my rod, by the time I release this, I would have another bite. So I'm just gonna wait it off and take my time. This is just too nuts. Another one here. Back into the water go. All day bite. All day bite. Thank you, Adam. Thank you. So right after the storm, guys. Still getting them right now. Oh yeah. Bite is still on. Everybody left home here. You can see on the shoreline, it's kind of empty, but I'm still out here. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is gonna be a big cat. Oh yeah. Could be a drum also. But whatever it is, it's big. It's a big fish. Wow. I think it's gonna be a drum. Just by the way that it's fighting right now. The wind has picked up, so. Let me see what this is. Hopefully it's a cat. I'm hoping that it's a cat. If it's a cat, it's a big one. But it's fighting like a sheephead. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I felt that bang off the bottom there. Woo, my wrists are getting tired today. Lots of big fish. Lots of big fish. If this is a big cat, I'm very excited. Please. This is a heavy fish. Heavy fish. Really heavy. A really heavy fish here. Wow. Wow. Oh, my rod. I might need help. It's gonna be a big fish. I'm not sure yet. You might get on this side, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be a big fish. Oh, it's a cat.
Oh, it's a cat.
A nice cat. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you. Oh, woo! Thank you. You're a lifesaver. Thank you, man. Yeah.
Wow, that's a nice fish there.
Oh yeah. Thank you. I think this is number. Ow! It's got teeth. It's got teeth. All right. I think this is number 5 or number 6 on the day. I'm not too sure. But there's a lot of fish biting right now. We went through the storm and everything. I had to get a little soggy, but this was the outcome. Results are still good. They're still biting. Shrimp was the ticket. I'm gonna let her go. So there you guys go. 4 pounds, 4 pounds, 11 ounces. That's gonna be my largest cat of the day so far. All of them were 4 pounds though. Every single one. Great fighting. All right, let her go back in the water. She's going back. Ta-da! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, I think I have a bite, guys. I'm just gonna wait for a second and see if it starts taking off. Give a couple flinches just like that. Yep. We're on. We're on. There you go, guys. We're on. Another cat. Oh, today is a beautiful, beautiful day. Oh my God. When you catch it in between a storm window like this is one of the moments that you truly want. You don't get too many of these. And this is very good for the kids too, you know what I'm saying? Because you can actually just get them out here, sit down, relax, and when the fish bite, you just set the hook and reel back. But here we go. This is awesome, awesome, awesome. I have to turn around and get my net here for a second, get this thing ready before it gets close. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be another cat for sure. Big cat. Big cat. Got the seaweed flying all over me. Yeah, there's tons of seaweed just flying down the river right now. But the fishing is tremendous. Tremendous here. Oh. Oh. My arms are getting tired, guys. I don't know how much more I can take of this. But this is another beautiful cat. Another beautiful cat. I think this is number 6 or 7, something like that, guys. It's a big one though. Let me see if I can reach for this. Don't have too many of these by myself. Oh, there you go, guys. I got her. Yes. Yes. Woo! I think that's the biggest one of the day. I'll throw in a scale in a bit. Here you go, guys. Another kitty on the day. She's chunkier. I'm gonna guess roughly about same size as the other one. 4 pounds again. Four is the magic number today, but I've been getting a lot of them. So, like I said, the shrimp ticket, best bait for me. I don't know about you guys, but you can see that this truly works. I'm gonna let this one go. Turn it over. Let's see what the weight is. Okay, it's not as big as the other one. Stop flickering so we can get this magic number. There you go, guys. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. That's the number. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. Still beautiful fish. Still beautiful fish. There you go. Lots of fish today. Lots of fish. Nice. Alright, guys. I think I got another bite on. Oh, yep. Okay, you're calling me. You're calling me. Calling me. Oh yeah, another fish. Another fish. With that barge in the background, oh yeah. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice one here. Nice fat fish here. Bite this a little slower. Oh yeah. Got my trusty net beside me. Always gotta have a net and some pliers when you're doing something like this. Sometimes these fish like to intend to swallow your hook, or the meat's too tough to get it out. But Be prepared. Be prepared. Wow. Wow, bars are getting tired. No, it did swim into the snag, did it? Okay, it got out. It got out. It got out of the snag. It got out of the snag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm pretty happy now. Yes. Yes, there's a snag down there. We call it the Winston Rock. And it always gets caught up on everybody, but here we go. I think this is number 8 of the day. Cat number 8. I can't believe I'm catching this many. What a beautiful, beautiful day of fishing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. 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 Okay, okay. We're not done yet. We're not done. We're not done. Come on. Gotta get in the basket. Gotta get in the basket. Oh, oh, oh. I gotta reel some up. This is a challenge, guys, when you're alone. But this is what makes it exciting. Man versus fish right here. Man versus fish. Here we go. Here we go. Get in the net. Get in the net. Yes. I got her. I got her. Ooh. Woo. There you guys go. And that's how you net a fish by yourself.
What kind is it, you know?
It's a catfish. Yeah, it's a catfish. Woo. Thank you. Alright. So we got that fish off the hook now. I'm gonna say roughly about 4 pounds again. They're all the same size. All the same size. Get this into the basket. Get in the net. They're all nice dark channel catfish though. Oh. Number 8. Something like that. Whatever it is. A lot of fish today. Lots. There we go. Hardy fish. Hardy, hardy, hardy. Woo! Woo! Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright everyone, I'm gonna end my day there. That was just a fantastic day. I mean, we had to go through a little bit of a storm and a soggy time, but the fish were just biting like crazy. I ended up with almost like 10 fish or something like that. I don't even know. What do you guys think? 9, 10, 8, 9, I don't know, somewhere around there. Like, you know, big fish though. All of them big fish, all hardy, all strong fish, great fighters. Can't ask for anything better. Get yourself a nice bag of shrimp. Get yourself a nice high-low rig. Heavy sinker, like I said, big circle hooks, and you are gonna do this. Anyways, you guys like that, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace.